Okay, hi, this is Darren Brown with Darren Buys Homes Cash, and we are at Orange Coast Title. And I have Wendy and Jim here. We just bought their property out in Florin. And I just had a couple of quick questions just to ask you guys. First probably is, I said when I first made an offer to you that I would close the escrow within 10 days. Did we do that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Did you find the price reasonable, like a win-win for both of us?
Yes.
Yeah. And did I buy it with the tenants in place? That was the big proposition that I made.
Yes.
It's still in there right now.
Yeah.
And I know at some point you guys were thinking about putting it on the market with a realtor. Is there any reason why you chose to work with me over them?
The closing
Quicker
costs, quicker.
closing and, it might have taken like contracts and stuff. You said I'd have to get in a contract and go, and it may have been a while before it sold. If it might have sold for, and then I have to pay all the realtor fees.
Correct.
Yeah.
And she wanted to show it, and it's not showable.
Yeah,
It's not showable.
Yeah.
No.
And okay, that's great. That's fair. Now, would you guys recommend my services to the public?
yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, I wanted to thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.